In October 2017, astronomers detected something extraordinary moving through our solar system, an object unlike anything ever seen before. It did not originate from the sun, nor did it follow the familiar paths of comets or asteroids bound by solar gravity. Instead, it came from deep interstellar space, crossing into our cosmic neighborhood for a brief and unrepeatable visit. This object was named Oumuamua, a Hawaiian term meaning scout or messenger from afar. And from the moment it was discovered, it began to challenge everything we thought we knew about objects drifting between the stars. Its motion alone was enough to set it apart. Traveling at tens of kilometers per second, Oumuamua followed a hyperbolic trajectory, a path that ensured it would never return. Unlike ordinary objects born within the solar system, it was not bound to the sun. It had entered from the vast darkness between stars and would soon disappear back into it. But it was not just its origin that made it unusual. As telescopes around the world focused on the object, they began to reveal something deeply puzzling. Oumuamua did not behave like a typical comet. There was no bright tail streaming behind it, no visible cloud of gas and dust surrounding its surface. Instead, it appeared faint, dark, and strangely elongated, possibly cigar-shaped or disc-like, rotating in a complex, tumbling motion that suggested a chaotic past. Its brightness fluctuated dramatically as it spun, indicating an extreme shape, far more elongated than most asteroids ever observed. Some estimates suggested it could be several times longer than it was wide, though its exact form remains uncertain even today. And then came the most unexpected observation of all. As astronomers tracked its path, they detected a slight but measurable acceleration, an additional force acting on the object beyond the pull of gravity alone. In ordinary comets, this effect is caused by outgassing. As ice heats up near the sun, it vaporizes and escapes in jets, pushing the comet like tiny thrusters. But Oumuamua showed no visible signs of outgassing. No tail, no coma, no clear evidence of evaporating material. This contradiction sparked one of the most intense scientific debates in recent years. Some researchers proposed that the outgassing might still be occurring, but in a form that was difficult to detect. Hydrogen, for example, could escape without producing visible signatures. Others suggested nitrogen ice, similar to the frozen surface of Pluto, could sublimate invisibly under solar radiation. There were also more unconventional ideas. A small number of scientists speculated that its unusual acceleration and shape could be explained if it were extremely thin, like a sheet, allowing radiation pressure from sunlight itself to push it forward. This led to the controversial hypothesis that it might even be artificial in origin, perhaps a fragment of extraterrestrial technology. While most of the scientific community remains cautious about such claims, the fact that they were seriously considered speaks to just how unusual Oumuamua truly was. For a brief period, the world watched as this interstellar visitor raced through the inner solar system. But it was already on its way out. By the time its significance was fully understood, it was too far away to study in detail. And then it was gone, vanishing into the darkness, leaving behind only data and a mystery that could not be resolved. For a time, it seemed possible that Oumuamua might remain unique, a one-time anomaly, a cosmic accident we were fortunate enough to glimpse. But the universe had more to reveal. In 2019, astronomers discovered another object entering the solar system from interstellar space. This time, however, the story unfolded very differently. The object was designated C/2019 Q4 Atlas, also known as Comet Borisov. And unlike Oumuamua, it immediately behaved in a way that astronomers recognized. It developed a bright coma, a glowing cloud of gas surrounding its nucleus. A long, luminous tail extended behind it, shaped by the solar wind. It was unmistakably a comet. For the first time in history, scientists had the opportunity to study an interstellar object that behaved exactly as expected. And this changed everything. Using powerful telescopes and spectroscopic analysis, astronomers examined the light emitted by C/2019 Q4 Atlas. By breaking that light into its component wavelengths, they could identify the chemical fingerprints of the Oumuamua within it. What they found was both surprising and reassuring. The comet contained familiar substances, water vapor, carbon monoxide, and other volatile compounds commonly found in comets within our own solar system. In many ways, it looked like a typical comet that had simply formed around another star. This suggested something profound. The processes that create comets, and perhaps entire planetary systems, may not be unique to our solar system. Instead, they could be widespread throughout the galaxy, producing similar building blocks in distant stellar environments. But this discovery also raised a new question. If C/2019 Q4 Atlas was typical, then what was Oumuamua? The contrast between the two objects could not have been more striking. One appeared familiar, active, and rich in volatile materials. The other was dry, dark, and strangely inert. One followed expectations, the other defied them. Together, they hinted at a deeper truth. Interstellar space is not populated by a single type of object, but by a vast and diverse collection of fragments, remnants of planetary formation, collisions, and destruction occurring across countless star systems. Some may be icy comets, ejected from the outer regions of their systems. Others may be rocky shards, stripped of volatile material by intense radiation or catastrophic impacts. Still others may represent entirely new categories of objects we have yet to classify. In this context, Oumuamua may not be an anomaly at all. It may simply be the first example of a class of interstellar objects that are difficult to detect, dark, inactive, and nearly invisible against the background of space. If so, then there could be countless others passing through our solar system unnoticed. The discovery of C/2019 Q4 Atlas also demonstrated something equally important. We are now capable of detecting these visitors in real time. Modern sky surveys scan the heavens continuously, searching for faint points of light that move against the fixed background of stars. Improvements in detection algorithms and telescope sensitivity mean that more interstellar objects are likely to be found in the coming years. Future observatories may even be able to intercept such objects, sending spacecraft to study them up close, analyzing material that originated in entirely different star systems. Each interstellar visitor is a messenger, a fragment of another world carrying within it the history of its origin, its chemistry, its formation environment, and perhaps even clues about the processes that lead to the emergence of life. In this sense, the significance of Oumuamua extends far beyond its brief appearance. It was the first indication that our solar system is not isolated, that the boundaries between stars are not barriers, but pathways. That material, rocks, ice, and dust can travel vast interstellar distances, linking distant systems in ways we are only beginning to understand. And with the arrival of C/2019 Q4 Atlas, that realization became undeniable. We are not simply observing our own solar system. We are sampling the galaxy. Looking ahead, the discovery of more interstellar objects is not a question of if, but when. Each new detection will refine our understanding, revealing patterns, differences, and perhaps entirely new phenomena. Some may confirm what we already suspect. Others may challenge the foundations of our theories. But all of them will expand our view of the universe. Because out there in the vast darkness between the stars, countless objects are drifting, silent, ancient travelers moving through the galaxy for millions or even billions of years. And every so often, one of them crosses our path. A brief encounter, a fleeting signal, a reminder that the universe is far more connected, far more dynamic, and far more mysterious than we once imagined. Oumuamua was strange. C/2019 Q4 Atlas made it clearer. And the next one may change everything again.